In this video I'm gonna tell you how to add shake effect to your video and Capcut app, so please watch the full video and also give a like and subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. First of all, open your Capcut app, then tap on new project. Now upload your video to Capcut to edit it. Now I have added the video in Capcut. Now tap on effects option below. Now tap on basic and here search for shake. I have downloaded, so when you will use it for first time, you should have to download it first, then you should have to use. Now I selected it and okay. Now you can increase or decrease its duration. I have added the shake effect to my video. Now let's play the video to see. So this is a simple method, simple and easy method. You can use it. You can also use shake effect to your video. So I hope you will like this video. So please give a like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks. Goodbye.